How to add Dogecoin to your Coinbase wallet. Want to add Dogecoin to your Coinbase wallet? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to safely add Dogecoin to your wallet. First, open the Coinbase wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, go to the App Store or Google Play to download and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and log into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Assets tab to view your crypto holdings. This is where you can add or manage your tokens. On the Assets page, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new cryptocurrency. A search bar will appear to help you find the coin you want to add. In the search bar, type Dogecoin or Doge. Once Dogecoin appears, tap on it to select it. After selecting it, you'll see an option to add asset, so tap on the Add button and Dogecoin will be added to your wallet's list of assets. To confirm that Dogecoin has been successfully added, return to the Assets tab and scroll through your list of coins, and you should now see Dogecoin listed alongside your other cryptocurrencies. You can now spend, send, or receive Dogecoin from your Coinbase wallet. To receive Dogecoin, simply tap Receive, then copy your wallet address and share it. Or to send, tap Send and enter the recipient's address and complete the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully added Dogecoin to your Coinbase wallet. Thanks for watching.